going on YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? I hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dan. I am back again with a video for you guys. As you guys can see, we have the Air Jordan 1 Rookie of the Years on deck. I'm about to give you guys a detailed review and an arm feet, so stay tuned for the arm feet at the end of the video. Y'all know how I do. Before we get into this video, hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. And everybody, I want you guys to go click that notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these, guys. Yo, man, I want to send a big shout out to my brother, man, Ness1. I'm going to leave Ness's information in the description where you guys could give him a follow. If you guys looking to see dope Instagram pictures on Instagram, he has a dope collection. And he's a good guy, man. So, yes, all his information will be in the description below. Yes. Now, take a look at these bad boys. We got the Air Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. I'm amazed, man. When I first took this shoe out the box, I was like, whoa. These are nice. Let's jump straight into this video. We're gonna start off with the box, man. For all you box heads out there, take a look. Comes in your regular Jordan 1 box, nothing special at all. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colorway is Golden Harvest Black Sail. Inside just comes your regular white paper, and that is about it. Let's get into the shoes. At first I was like, yo, this color look kind of weird, man, on the Jordan 1, even though the wheat ones came out and all that. But yo, these are nice. Like, these are just crazy. Let's just get straight into the video, man. Let's just get straight into it. As you guys can see, the whole shoe just features this nice Golden Harvest color. You got your sail and you got your hits of black. Starting off, let's start off with the front of the toe. Look at that toe box. Look at that leather. And look when I push down, how soft. You can also see on the Golden Harvest, look at when I give it that rub. It does have the stroke, you know, it does change. Maybe not in the lighting that I'm in right now, but man, this thing is soft. Now, the shoe does come with 2 sets of laces. You do got your black laces, and it also comes with red laces. Now, when we get into this on feet, I'm going to put one red on one foot, and of course, I'll leave black on the other foot so you guys can get a better look. And also let me know which one do you like. Do you prefer the black or the red? Going up, you do got your nylon on the tongue. What's cool is I never seen on the tongue right here, this Nike Air patch, I think it is in leather. You got that nice shiny red Nike Air on the tongue. Look at that tumble. Very nice. Very nice. Got your Nike swoosh in black. It also has tumble leather on it. The swoosh is in leather. Take a look. On the wing, you do got your Air Jordan in black with the basketball on the wing. Now, what's dope about the shoe is when you pull the wing out, you can see it says 1984, 1985, ROY, 2,313 points, 28.2 PPG. These are the Rookie of the Year. 85 for Michael Jordan. They paying tribute to him. Michael Jordan is my all-time favorite basketball player, man, to ever do it, man, for real. You got that on this side. That's a nice touch right there for MJ. And on this side, this award is nice, but I just feel it is very important for each individual to go out and contribute to his team, MJ. This is dope. I like that a lot. Medial side of the shoe. Take a look at the medial. Same as the lateral. You got your wing on the upper with your writing inside. You do got that nice sail over here with that tumble leather. You got your swoosh in the tumble leather also. Everything about the shoe just makes it look so nice in hand. You guys got to see the shoe in hand. You got your sail on the midsole that goes around the shoe. For sizing on this shoe, I do recommend you guys go true to size. Back of the shoe, take a look. As you can see, we do got the black leather up over here. Look when I just push in, man. It is so soft, man. They gave you a nice thick black leather. That is just dope. It continues from the back all through over here, and it is just so tumble. Look at that. Crazy tumble, man, and just real soft. Very nice job by Jordan Brand with these right here. Inside the shoe, they did hit you with that Golden Harvest inner sole. You got your Nike Air branding in there in black. As you guys can see, sock line is in black. They did give us an all black bottom with your Nike branding right there. And that's basically it, guys. I want to know what your thoughts are in the comments. And I also want to know which one you prefer, the black laces or the red laces when you guys see them on feet. Show you guys what they look like on feet right now so you guys can get a better look to see if you like them or not. Thank you guys for your support. I appreciate all you guys out there. Enough talking, man. Let's get to this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan, and I'm gone.
Yeah. Real niggas trying to get out, fake niggas trying to fit in. Yeah. That fun shit, man.
Yeah. I told my nigga I'm one call away. If you need me there, I lose it all today. We been through so much, look at how far we came. If I go down, you can charge it to the game. I got your back until we meet again. And my heart is where I keep you, friend. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin. I don't name drop, just blow your brains out. Niggas talking in the streets, steady making the gang hot. If it's beef, it's with the same guys, we got gang ties. I was waiting outside his crib, I wish the nigga came out. School breezy, problem child, head first in these streets. Started with no job, went to work in these streets. Shad City, I think I'm geek, fan first in these streets. If a nigga tried us, we would get murk in these streets. We went from middle school all the way through high school. My first vid on YouTube, it was just me and you. When you pick up the tool, swear you had a loose screw. If a nigga cross you, you would give him a moon roof vest. And they said my niggas tore the fast. Damn, I wish Davey would've took his mask. Schools called me up like Davey Dad. Who would've know a few weeks later he'll be next? I told my nigga I'm one call away. If you need me there, I lose it all today. We been through so much, look at how far we came. So if I go down, you can charge it to the game. I got your back until we meet again. And my heart is where I keep you, friend. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin.
They don't love you till you dead, I can see it clear.